Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shifanur Aidina. I'm from kelas English Literature 3C, UIN Raden Mas Said, Surakarta. Halo. Language is the analytic system of communication. Communication is basically a social progress. Laswell 1948 stated that communication is the following 5 model question who says what in the which channel to whom in the what effect. Based on the theory, the writer conclude that the action of the communication is a language process from the speaker to retrieve through a channel either verbally or in the writing, expressing ideas that fit from the semantic connotation, some of which are through the use of denotative and the connotative meaning. According to Kone 1996, word have two main type of meaning, denotation and connotation. Denotation is the meaning of a word which mainly refers to the actual word. Dictionary definition is the type of meaning that can be described in the term of the set semantic properties that serve to identify a particular concept related to the word in the question. For example, cow, ingredients typical of animal, house, identical a type of the building. According to Becker 2001, connotative is part the meaning of the word, and he cited connotative imperative. For example, if I say sun the morning, in the state other hand word sun in see is sun has a connotative meaning. Positive connotation, that word sun is that the sentence has meaning as a order something that I will always be there the next day. If that sentence is said by a man, then a sentence "she is my son" has a meaning said alone that can rally her power. In the literature review, when the definition of the connotation, the paper draws from the scholar like Berger 2001 and the chair 2006 to explain connotative meaning as the implied or the associative meaning of the word that can carry positive or negative emotion. 2. Previous studies. The document mentioned earlier work by scholars like S.C. Diki, Armawansha, and the Wahyuni, who studied connotative meaning in the various song the genres. Example, mental, religious song, each focus on the emotional tone or implied meaning in the lyrics. 3. Application to Olivia song. The analysis identify connotative meaning in the 5 Rodrigo songs: brutal, deja vu, try, happier, enough for you, but positive, example, golden years, and negative, for example, fucking teenage dream. Connotation for them in Rodrigo lyrics them explore include social-mental emotion, breakfast, nostalgia, support, and the longing for the validation. Research method. The research use a quality despite method appropriate and the objective of this study, because this study I am to find out the word of the phrases that have the connotative meaning in the Olivia Rodrigo. According Margono to 2029, quality research in the research obtained despite and the form written or spoken word that to be aspired. Despite research I am quality in the thesis, the research use qualitative research when that's why analyze through interpretation, not analysis. For example, reading, listening, understanding, interpreting, and describing the context to gain the research finding. Next, finding. In the thesis, the receiver analyzed the connotative meaning that are contained in the selected lyrics of Olivia Rodrigo's songs such as brutal, deja vu, traitor, happier, and enough for you. This research aimed to find the connotation meaning and the song lyrics. In the finding, the receiver found the acting connotation meaning and the types of the connotation meaning that the type connotation meaning found in the Olivia Rodrigo songs are 10 positive connotation in the 8 negative connotation. Song title brutal. Where are my fucking 10 dream? Based on the Oxford Dictionary, definition of the fucking is used by some people to emphasize of word or place, especially when feel angry or upset. For example, many people the word fucking in the very vulgar, consider involved and the taboo in the sentence. They says These are the golden years. The word golden are the best on the Oxford Dictionary is a spoke and the malleable, the precious metal, and the commonly used to the jewelry are the valuable converse in addition good in the popular and the reliable instrument and the time to time. 3. This the kinda tense I get. Usually upset according to Cam Kribel, the notation upset meaning to the someone worried, unhappy, or angry. Upset has several different meaning depending on how a context and position. Enough for you, a song title Enough for You. Try too hard to be everything that like you. Then definition of the everything is the Oxford Dictionary means a thing that is can be seen and cannot be seen. This word everything in this stanza means the writer wants to everything and anything for a special person. 2. Don't you anything I love you so much to be used and described according to Cambridge Dictionary is to throw something away or get rid of I because the longer wanted or needed while the distract and the lyrics mind the unneeded people. 3. Cause I wanted to enough based on the Cambridge Dictionary. Cause I ever wanted was to be enough express deep the longing for the self-evident and validation. The research analyzed 5 popular songs by Olivia Rodrigo using Abdul Cher's theory. They found that Olivia's songs have the more positive connotation than negative connotation. A positive connotation and the negative connotation. In addition, Armansyah also found positive connotation and the dominant meaning in the Maher Zain song. This is because Maher Zain song is the religious song which currently contains two positive and negative meaning. In the chorus to the Ashidik, who analyzed Bon Jovi song, he found more negative connotative meaning because Bon Jovi song is a mental genre song. In the conclusion, this research refers to the language in the latter words can be unique. Olivia Rodrigo's song have the acting connotative meaning with the 10 positive connotation and the 8 negative connotation. Positive connotation convey happiness, achievement, or the prize, while the negative connotation express annoyance, anger, sadness, critical, or the warning. Understanding the power of the positive and the negative connotation help the communicate messenger effective and consider the impact of the word choice and the other preposition. Thank you. That's all for me. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you. Thank you so much, Miss Ulin.